again today. He's on the 450 still. And I'm gonna show him a new trail up to Tom Brown, and I think we're gonna meet one of his friends. I'll let him go riding for a bit. Anyways, it's fun to see how far I can make it. Dude, it'd be such a bad day if my bike fell down this side though. Because I'm not going to make it. So
it's not going in. Just don't worry about
it. Okay, I'm going to do it. I'm making it today, Carter.
You're making that.
I had a
third or fourth?
third. If I go fourth, I'm just gonna bog.
Oh, yeah, yeah. Want a hand or you good?
Oh, I'm good.
Guys, roll down this way. Pick up your front tire.
Good start, and I got that.
Yeah, I know.
That stump messes me up so bad.
Yeah, I hate this stuff. You gotta go as far outside as going right.
Yeah.
And then when you're doing the hill, Wyatt always says go up to the left, but just try to stay in the middle.
Take it. Ow. Yeah, I smoked the stump.
Yeah, you kind of fell. Where'd you hit?
I smoked it dead on.
What, that little thing that's sticking up?
Yeah, right over the bars. Hopefully I didn't pop my tire. I hit it dead on super hard.
Oh, yeah.
Right over the bars. No, I was pinned under my bike. I got up, but
How's the word going?
I don't know what the best idea here is.
Shorter, eh?
You can see where I got to. Oh, and I slid down the hill. Yo!
Holy. There we go.
Perfect.
What's standing?
I got so close, dude.
You gonna try again?
No. I literally wheelied for like a quarter of the hill. Yeah, let's do it.
Yeah.
Isn't this where that guy got shot?
No, it happened more down there.
Yeah, let's...
Make sure some drunk Indian doesn't shoot you though.
Okay.
Awesome jump right there.
Where?
I'll
Show me. Apparently Troy found a good jump. Oh yeah. Whoa! Dude, that is sweet!
I know.
You went so high!
I know.
My God! Oh, that's so good. That's like my favorite jump. Oh my God. Lots of air time. Let's see Troy hit it. Yeah. To the track, I think. I don't know.
Are we not going to the track? I don't know how to get to the track. Where are we going? Oh, okay.
Let's just go to Tom Brown.
Yeah, let's go.
Brody's on a Grizzly 700, going down stuff like that.
Bike.
Holy crap! Ride beside you while you do that.
What?
Let me get that on video. I'll ride with you. Sit. What?
A knee knocker?
Yeah. I definitely burned so much oil doing that, I can smell it. Yeah! That's wild! Can't even see anything. Okay, so we got everybody with us, and we're doing these trails called the breakneck trails, and apparently you have to cross the Quincy River. So that should be interesting. It's probably pretty high. I've never done it before, but apparently it's pretty tough. So we're gonna see. Here it is, breakneck. Here we go. This should be interesting. Yeah, the grizzly. Yeah, you need to just lift it.
Ready? Here, ready? Oh, wait, here. Help me again. One second. Thank you.
Here, keep going. Push your bike out of the way. That's gnarly.
That's the worst part.
That's gnarly.
That's the worst part. You actually could just go up there. No. Yeah, you could. Okay, Chase. Turn around and no, go up there.
Yeah, you just gotta ram it. Yeah, almost.
Fucking right, slide her up.
Carter's on a 450 doing this. Woo! Carter's bike just overheated, so we had to push it up the hill. Then we hit the 450. She's mid. We're back riding now. Carter's bike overheated. We had to push it up that thing. But we're good. Apparently that was the hardest part of the trail. It was easier for me on the 230. I just crawled right up it. Okay, this is where we cross. Oh boy. Oh, that's okay. That's good. My bad. Oh, that's fun. I love these trails. I can feel the mud on my neck. Oh boy, I'm not doing that. Oh no. Look at all the big rocks, that's snow.
Let me go up there?
Yeah, we can do that.
So go like straight across and then go beside the stick. Yeah, it makes sense.
Well, it's
Why?
right there.
Yeah.
Just go straight across and then go
It
where the
looks
stick is.
deep behind that stick
I
though.
mean, I
No,
don't
no, no.
shallow over there.
No, don't go behind the stick. Just turn where the stick is and
Oh,
then.
then just ride along the
Yeah,
stick.
here, I'll show you.
I mean, I don't really want to do
So I
it.
just like don't. Just trust me. No.
I know it's not that deep.
I want to see how deep it is here. Just at this beginning part, I'm kind of worried about. There is a bridge that went over.
Oh, is it a loop?
I don't know, boys.
Honestly, I'm good.
Not a quad.
No, it's just rocky. It's fuck all.
I might have to walk.
What?
I'm saying that shit. We're making a YouTube video.
Oh wait, is that recording?
Yeah.
Oh shit.
I won't put I won't put it in
Don't
there.
even make it see. No, just like cut all that out, okay?
Is it?
I might do it.
It's probably harder pushing it across. I feel like.
Like fuck it, just push it.
Yeah, I'm pushing it. My boots are soaked. Yeah. Oh yeah, this would be hard to walk or ride across.
Yeah.
I think riding will be easier. Even though the current's pushing you.
See, it's not bad. Chase us through it.
Gary, can you walk
Don't even-
beside me just in case?
Okay. We're walking her across. I am? Oh yeah. Big time soaked.
Oh, that's cold.
This is nice.
Oh, the bug's over here. Don't get you drunk. Oh, what's over here?
I told you it wasn't deep.
Ah. Stop swearing, Troy. Whew. That was nice. Okay guys, well that's really all I got for this video. So like and subscribe and stay tuned for another video next week.